Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Arroios grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you'll find the Pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, you're going to find further features all courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. We also able to locate further storage compartments on your right and hooks on your left and right. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driving memory heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel and advancing over to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, as we finalise our journey by looking up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.